Have you ever experienced a sudden strong urge that makes you feel like you need to rush to the bathroom? Do you get to the bathroom only just to discover that you shouldn't have really need to go? Or have you ever experienced slight dribbling or leakage as you rush to the toilet? Today, I'm going to show you a few tips to help suppress your sudden strong urge and to help you make it to the toilet in time without accidents. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. If you find this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Also, our team has worked hard to bring online exercise program to you. You can find the link to our Revive at Home program below in the description box. We appreciate your support. First, we need to understand what bladder urgency and urge incontinence are. Bladder urgency is when the message to your bladder to void is sudden and strong. When you need to go more than every 2 hours, then you have bladder frequency. Urge incontinence is leakage of urination when you feel the urge to void, and you are not able to make it in time to prevent accidents. There are many situations that may contribute to bladder urgency or urge incontinence. Holding bladder urge for too long past its capacity to store, environment-driven urge such as arriving home as you approach to the entry door, hearing water running, and much more. Here are the techniques when you feel the urge to go to the bathroom. When you experience the sudden strong urge to go to the bathroom, pause and stay calm. If you can sit down, find a place to sit. If not, stay standing. The more nervous you are, the more the bladder will win. Take a few deep breaths to calm yourself. Then perform 10 calf raises. Because the calves share the same nerve roots as the bladder, when you activate the muscles, it helps calm down the bladder. If you know how to perform pelvic floor contractions, do 5 quick flicks of pelvic floor contraction with full relaxation after each contraction. This can also help calm the urge. If your urge is the abnormal urge that your bladder is not yet full, you can repeat the above technique when feel the urge again, as the urge would come in waves. If you're trying to get to the bathroom in time without accidents, it is even more important to stay calm and perform the 10 calf raises to calm down the bladder. Then you walk slowly to the bathroom to void. Do not rush to the bathroom. For environmental related cues of urge, retraining your brain is important. Performing the suppression techniques as instructed, and also let your brain know that it is just a false cueing. Hopefully you have given this trick a try and feel an improvement. It may be wise to seek an evaluation from a pelvic floor specialist to discuss other options you may have to regulate your bladder. We love to hear your feedback and comments below. Let us know what you think of this technique. Hit the subscribe and like button if you want to see more of these kind of videos, and consider hitting the thanks button and leaving a donation. I'm Dr. Huang, and thanks for tuning in.